video, we will learn listening and speaking practice. My lovely students, today we will do listening and speaking practice. A peaceful day in the countryside. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly. Pause the video and repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Part 1. Morning routine. It is early morning. The sun is rising slowly. The sky is soft orange and pink. A girl named Sarah wakes up. She opens her eyes slowly. She feels fresh and happy. She sits on her bed and stretches her arms. She says, "Good morning." She gets up and makes her bed. She opens the window. Fresh air comes inside. She takes a deep breath. Outside, birds are singing. Sarah smiles and listens. She feels calm. She goes to the kitchen. She drinks a glass of water. She makes a simple breakfast, bread and eggs. She eats slowly and enjoys her food. She says, "This is a good start to my day." Part 2. Walk in the countryside. After breakfast, Sarah goes outside. The air is cool and fresh. She walks on a small road. There are green fields everywhere. She sees farmers working. They are smiling and talking. Sarah waves her hand. They wave back. She sees a cow. The cow is eating grass. She laughs softly. The cow looks funny. She keeps walking. She hears the sound of water. There is a small river. The water is clear. Sarah sits near the river. She touches the water. It is cold, she says. She feels relaxed and peaceful. Part 3. Nature and feelings. Sarah looks around. She sees tall trees. Green leaves are moving. The wind is soft. She closes her eyes and listens carefully. She hears birds, water, wind. She says, "Nature is beautiful." She takes a deep breath. She feels happy inside. A butterfly flies near her. She watches it carefully. "It is so pretty," she says. Part 4. Small activity. Sarah opens her small bag. Inside the bag, there is fruit, juice, biscuits. She puts a cloth on the ground. She sits and eats her food. She looks at the sky. White clouds are moving slowly. She says, "I love this place." After eating, she drinks juice. She feels full and happy. Part 5. a new friend. Suddenly, a small dog comes. The dog looks friendly. Sarah smiles. Hello, little dog. The dog wags its tail. Sarah gives a biscuit. The dog eats happily. Sarah laughs. You are my new friend, she says. They sit together for some time. Part 6. Evening time. The sun is going down. The sky becomes orange again. Sarah stands up and cleans the place. She says, it is time to go home. She walks slowly. She feels calm and relaxed. She sees the same road. The farmers are going home. She waves again. They smile. Part 7. Back home. Sarah reaches home. She takes a shower. She feels fresh. She sits on a chair. She drinks tea. She thinks about her day. She smiles. Today was a peaceful day, she says. She feels thankful. Speaking practice, question and answer. Listen and answer. First, where does Sarah go? She goes to the countryside. Second, what does she eat in the morning? She eats bread and eggs. Third, what does she see outside? She sees fields, cows, and farmers. Fourth, where does she sit? She sits near the river. Fifth, what does she hear? She hears birds, water, and wind. Sixth, what does he eat at the picnic? She eats fruit and biscuits. Seventh, what animal does she meet? She meets a dog. Eighth, how does she feel? She feels happy and peaceful. Ending. Great job, my lovely students. You are improving every day. Practice again. Speak loudly. Don't be shy. You can speak English. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.